You can revolutionize your digital marketing with free AI tools, saving thousands of dollars. By leveraging these cutting-edge technologies, you can automate tasks, boost your brand, and leave your competition in the dust. In the next few minutes, you'll discover the top free AI tools to supercharge your marketing strategy, from content creation to campaign optimization. ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can generate human-like text, and one real-world use case is creating engaging social media posts. For example, you can use it to craft a tweet about a new product launch, and a quick tip is to provide specific prompts to get more accurate results. Next up is Claude, an AI assistant that can help with content research, such as finding relevant keywords for a blog post. And a tip is to use it in conjunction with other tools for more comprehensive results. Number 3 is Midjourney, a fantastic AI tool for generating stunning visual content, like creating a Facebook ad image. And a tip is to experiment with different prompts to achieve unique designs. Here is a powerful one, DALL-E, which can create custom images from text prompts. For instance, generating a product image for an e-commerce website. And a quick tip is to use descriptive language to get more detailed results. Canva is a popular graphic design platform that now includes AI-powered tools, such as a logo maker, and a real-world use case is creating a professional logo for a new business. And a tip is to use the pre-made templates to save time. Notion AI is another game changer, offering AI-driven content suggestions, like helping you write a compelling landing page headline. And a tip is to use it to brainstorm new ideas for your marketing campaigns. ElevenLabs is an AI tool that can generate high-quality voiceovers. For example, creating a voiceover for a YouTube video, and a quick tip is to adjust the tone and pace to fit your brand style. Runway is a cutting-edge AI model that can generate stunning videos, such as creating a product demo video. And a tip is to use it in combination with other video editing tools for more polished results. Perplexity is an AI research assistant that can help with content research, like finding relevant statistics for a blog post. And a tip is to use it to fact-check your content. Leonardo AI is a powerful tool that can help with marketing automation, such as creating personalized email campaigns. And a real-world use case is sending targeted promotional emails to your subscribers. And a quick tip is to use segmentation to increase engagement. Gamma is an AI-powered chatbot that can help with customer support, for instance, answering frequent questions on your website. And a tip is to use it to free up your customer support team. Suno is an AI tool that can generate high-quality music, like creating a soundtrack for a video ad. And a tip is to experiment with different genres to find the perfect fit. To recap, we've covered ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney, DALL-E, Canva, Notion AI, ElevenLabs, Runway, Perplexity, Leonardo AI, Gamma, and Suno, all of which can be used to take your digital marketing to the next level. Now that you've learned about these free AI tools, it's time to start using them to transform your marketing strategy. So be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And since this is part 7 of our free AI tools series, don't forget to catch part 8, where we'll reveal even more cutting-edge AI tools to help you stay ahead of the competition.